It takes 2 to tango and 6 to play. This is 2v2v2 keep away. Here, we're working on passing, receiving, and transitioning quickly from attacking to defending. Create a square space with your cones for every 6 players. Divide them into 3 pairs in different colored pennies if you have them.
So it's the white group, the purple group, and the yellow group. What we're going to be doing now is 2 versus 2 versus 2.
2 pairs are attackers, 1 pair defends. Here's how it looks. The attacking pairs play keep away from the defending pair. The goal is to keep possession of the ball for as long as possible. What could go wrong? Oh right, the defenders. Their goal is to steal the ball or force a mistake.
Purple and yellow. Ooh, good defending.
When they do, they replace the attacking duo that last touched the ball. But the game doesn't stop during these transitions, so the new defenders and attackers need to get into position ASAP.
Move the ball, spread the field, guys. Open up, open up, open up, open up.
This mimics the quick transitions that happen in the actual game. Encourage players to look at their passing options before they take a first touch and receive the ball. We want players to be strategic and pass quickly. Slow passes are easier to steal. You can add a rule to limit touches to 2 or even 1 to make it more challenging. Coaches, we want attackers positioning themselves to the side of the player with the ball so they can easily receive a pass. Defenders, meanwhile, should be talking constantly, determining who is pressuring the ball and who is offering support. Remember, quick transitions, look at passing options, maintain possession. Expect some controlled chaos. Emphasis on chaos.